Moving on though, KTN, NTV and Citizen TV will continue to carry out their broadcast services in analog format after the Supreme Court failed to hear a petition filed by the Media Owners Association on the basis of constitutionality of the court.
The media owners were in court to challenge the decision by the Communications Authority of Kenya to switch off all analog signals in Nairobi on the 31st of December last year.
However, the two-judge bench could not listen to this petition, saying it was challenging an earlier ruling delivered by a 7-judge bench.
KTN's Charles Gitonga has those details.
A two-judge bench of the Supreme Court stayed the digital migration process for the 3 leading media houses. This is until a case they filed is heard at an unspecified date. On the 28th of November 2014, the Communication Authority of Kenya announced the migration schedule. It is stated that all media houses should switch their services to digital platforms on the 31st of December in Nairobi and its environs. With a 3-month negotiation window provided by the Supreme Court, KTN, NTV and Citizen requested for a special migration timeline to allow them time to establish the necessary infrastructure. However, lack of agreement between the authority and the media owners saw the latter go to court on the 30th of December 2014. Lady Justice Kalpana Rawal then ruled that they should appear in court before a 2-judge bench. Before the hearing of the petition could kick off, the Willy Mutunga-led bench sought to find out why the negotiation between the media houses and the Communication Authority had failed.
And we set up a dialogue between the stakeholders. I want to know when the dialogue fell through and why.
Consultations have been going on well, and as a result of those consultations, a DSP license has been given, self-provision DSP license. As a result of those consultations, at least one frequency has been given, and they've been told that once more at a day, as we review our national frequency plan, we will get as time goes on.
We came at 15 minutes to noon on Tuesday, the 30th of December. The reason for waiting until 1:45 is that even on that week, we were still in discussions with the Communications Authority and in fact with the ministry.
The contentious issues between the Communication Authority and the media owners included the set migration timelines, which the authority was unwilling to reschedule as per the media owners' request. Secondly, the Communication Authority issued the 3 media houses with 1 digital frequency against their request of 4 to fully cover Nairobi and its environs with the digital signals.
We got 1 frequency, not on the 25th of November when the license, self-provision license was given to us, but my lords, on the 15th of December.
Now, my learned friends want to have, my learned friends clients want to have their cake and eat it. They have been given 1. Instead of saying thank you, you want the court to say give them 3.
And after the introductory hearing and the 2 judges were up to speed with how far negotiations between CAK and media owners had gone, the court ruled that the media owners' petition required a hearing by the full bench. But in the meantime, the 3 media houses should continue their broadcast on the analog platform.
In view of the nature and terms of the orders sought in the application, we are apprehensive that any orders we may give would lead to inconsistency and even interference with the judgment of the court. In the circumstances, the right bench to hear this application would be the full bench of 7 judges who heard the case in the first place.
The future of digital broadcasting in Nairobi for the 3 media houses, that is KTN, NTV and Citizen, now lies in the hearing of the case filed by the Media Owners Association to be heard by the full bench of the Supreme Court at a later date. Charles Gitonga, KTN.